The orrery is functioning. So power up takes place and it homes each of the planets. And then it'll set them to what I've decided is going to be day 0. It's actually January 1st, 2018. So each planet will home itself off of a Hall sensor and then advance to the angular position of where it was in the sky on January 1st of this year. So it'll go through each of the planets in turn. And while this is homing. So prototype state right now, I gotta finish up this rat nest of wiring. But there's an Arduino do underneath, and then 8 stepper drivers, and then the power supply, which I've got to wire up. It'll be 120 volt to 5 volt power supply. Then this big breadboard will go away. I'll make a proper circuit board for it. Control panel has to get finished and labels and painted and everything, but it's all operational now, so you can select a year. So 1256 for an example, and then you can select what month. And once you select that month, you'd press the start button and it would rotate all the planets to that desired month and year, and then it'll begin orbiting from that point forward. So we're almost done homing the planets. So this only takes place when it first starts up itself. And there it starts to orbit. So a bit of programming left to do to fine-tune the orbital speeds. It's pretty close right now, but it'll be a bit of work to it. So the next steps are going to be building a base for this, prevent what had just happened where Neptune hit something. So there's going to be a large base onto the bottom. And then once that is all sorted out in the final programming, I'll put up a photo and maybe a video of what this thing looks like when it's all complete.